Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly transforming our world and changing the way we live, work, and interact. It has already made a significant impact in various fields such as healthcare, finance, transportation, and manufacturing. AI systems are designed to automate tasks that were once performed by humans, making them more efficient and cost-effective. This has led to concerns that AI could replace human jobs and take over many activities that are traditionally performed by people. In this video, we will discuss the future of AI and its impact on human jobs and activities. We will look at how AI is transforming various industries, the potential for AI to replace human workers, and the benefits and challenges that come with this transformation. First, we will examine how AI is changing the job market and the types of jobs that are being affected. AI systems are being developed to perform tasks that are repetitive, mundane, and require a high level of accuracy. This is leading to job losses in certain industries and the creation of new jobs in others. Next, we will explore the benefits and challenges of AI taking over human jobs and activities. On one hand, AI systems can perform tasks more efficiently and accurately than humans, freeing up time for people to focus on more creative and higher-value tasks. On the other hand, AI systems can be expensive to develop and maintain and may not have the same level of empathy and understanding as human workers. Finally, we will look at the future of AI and its impact on human jobs and activities. It is likely that AI systems will continue to replace human workers in certain industries, but it is also possible that new jobs will be created to support the development and maintenance of these systems. It is also possible that AI systems will augment human work rather than replace it, allowing people to work more efficiently and effectively. In conclusion, the future of AI and its impact on human jobs and activities is complex and multifaceted. While AI systems have the potential to transform the way we work and live, it is important to consider the potential consequences and to develop policies and strategies that will ensure that the benefits of AI are widely shared. Thank you for watching this video on the future of AI and its impact on human jobs and activities. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.